Interestingly, Dr. Patra, who's sitting with me in the studio, pointed out that Ajay Rai, Congress candidate from Varanasi, is sporting the Congress symbol on his shirt there. If you can see right behind that the mic that Preeti Chaudhary is holding, we'll try and get a better look there. Now, there's been a huge controversy about election symbols and their placement in political polling centers. We had Rahul Gandhi, who pointed out a lotus on a blackboard in Amethi. Then we've had the whole controversy of Narendra Modi taking a selfie with the lotus symbol. Ajay Rai seems to be wearing something similar, Dr. Patra. Is that what your objection is?
Exactly, and not similar. He is carrying the symbol of the party within the premises of the polling booth, which is in fact not according to the ambience of the People's Representative Act and which defines the model code of conduct. If you remember, we had similar kind of controversy with Mr. Narendra Modi, but let me remind you of the fact Mr. Narendra Modi had removed the symbol of lotus. He had kept it in his pocket, gone inside and voted. After 200 meters premises, he had taken out the lotus. In spite of that, there were 2 FIRs charged against Mr. Narendra Modi. Now, I asked the Election Commission over here, after seeing this on the headlines today's screen, will the Election Commission take a suo motu notice of this? Will FIRs be slapped against Mr. Ajay Rai? He has flaunted the rules of the model code of conduct. Within the premises of the polling booth, he is wearing the symbol.
Okay, let me ask Preeti Chaudhary, who's there at the polling booth where Ajay Rai cast his ballot. Preeti, Dr. Sambit Patra is saying that Ajay Rai is sporting the Congress symbol, and he's inside a polling booth, which as per Election Commission guidelines is completely wrong. This is the same thing that Narendra Modi was charged for the day he took that selfie, and clearly after that there were 2 FIRs also that were lodged against him. What exactly did you see? Was he wearing this while he went in to vote as well?
You know, Maruk, yes, he was wearing that election symbol. He had pinned it to his kurta that he was wearing. We did ask him about it. Just in about 10 minutes, we're going to send you that reaction, to which he said he's proud to be a congressperson, and he's contesting from that particular party, and that is the reason why he's wearing that particular symbol. He did cite Narendra Modi as well, that Narendra Modi did it, everybody's done it, and then he turned it around and started talking about the Aam Aadmi Party, Manish Sisodia, who was standing outside a polling booth. And he said those are the issues that you should look at. I am from the Congress, I am contesting from a seat from Congress, and that is the reason that I wear this symbol with pride.
Okay, Dr. Patra, let's look at this. Narendra Modi, the day he was holding that lotus symbol, it was in his hand. He was talking in the press conference, flaunting that symbol, which also created a, raised the hackles of not just the Congress party, but brought the Election Commission in.
No. I mean, rules should not be blurred. We should have the defined ambiences of the rule. And what does the rule state? The rule of the Election Commission states that within 100 meters of the polling booth, one cannot flaunt the symbol of the party, which may in fact instigate the people to vote for a particular party. And over here we see that within the polling booth, leave aside 100 meters, he is going to vote. And I know he has voted wearing the kurta which carried the hand symbol. The issue was Narendra Modi took out the selfie, took out the lotus symbol only 200 meters beyond the polling booth. And what you call a press conference was an impromptu engagement with the press, which happens with everyone. It was not a press conference. So I believe, and I categorically state, Election Commission of India was in fact selective in charging charges against Mr. Narendra Modi. But why is it turning a blind eye to what Mr. Ajay Rai is doing? He's flaunting the rule. If Ajay Rai says that he's proud to be a congressman, aren't we proud to be BJP people? Okay, but is the pride giving us the right to flaunt the rules?
Okay, let me go to Javed Ansari also. Javed, let me bring you into this row that is brewing here. Ajay Rai, as he was going in to cast his ballot in Varanasi, where Preeti Chaudhary was there, he is wearing a symbol of the Congress party on his kurta. Very similar to what Narendra Modi wears most of the times. The white lotus, similar to that, there is a Congress symbol on his shirt. Now, Dr. Patra of the BJP, who's with me here in the studio, is saying that this is clearly a violation of the Election Commission, and the EC must look into this matter.
Well, indeed, if it is so, then the EC should look into it. The rules should apply equally to Mr. Narendra Modi, Mr. Ajay Rai, Mr. Ramakant Yadav, Mulayam Singh Yadav. There can't be a different set of rules for anybody. So if Mr. Ajay Rai has deliberately or inadvertently contravened the rules, then he should be held accountable. There are no two ways about it.
Dr. Patra is also... go ahead, Dr. Patra.
Javed, I just want to remind you, it is not inadvertently, it is deliberate in the sense that Preeti Chaudhary, one of our finest reporters, talked to Ajay Rai and reminded him that he was wearing and flaunting the symbol of the hand. He said that he was a proud congressman and he would in fact continue wearing the symbol. If had he done it accidentally, he would have removed it. He never removed it, he continued flaunting it. So I believe it was an open flaunting of the rules of Model Code of Conduct, and the Election Commission should come up and take strict action, stringent action against Mr. Ajay Rai.
Okay, at this time, the story that is breaking here, Dr. Sambit Patra of the BJP with me in the studio. He in fact spotted that Congress symbol to begin with is the Congress symbol that is being worn by Ajay Rai, who is the Congress candidate from Varanasi, on his kurta. You can see it directly right in the middle of his kurta where the buttonholes are. He's put the Congress symbol, and we'll bring in the pictures of Narendra Modi as well, where an FIR was lodged against him for flaunting the lotus symbol on the day of the election, right in the premises of the polling booth. Here's Ajay Rai, who is inside the polling booth, standing in queue to cast the ballot, and he has that symbol on his kurta. He might be trying to be clever by half, but clearly this might boomerang against Mr. Ajay Rai. Or is it the fact that as the BJP has been completely sidelining the Election Commission? There you go. That's Narendra Modi. He had the lotus symbol in his hand. Remember the day 2 FIRs were lodged against him? And there is Ajay Rai to the other side of your screen, where he's sporting the Congress symbol on his kurta. But I want to ask you this. The BJP has been constantly taking on the Election Commission, flaunting one rule after the other. The Congress party must have said it's the last day of polling. What can they do now?
But this is not the way. In fact, BJP has been taking on the Election Commission, rightly so, because look what has happened this election. In the 2014 election, we have seen 6 lakh names going missing in the Maharashtra and the Bombay polls. And in fact, the Election Commission had to come out, had to say sorry to the people of this country. Then we saw what Mr. Arun Jaitley rightly pointed out in his blog, silent rigging of election booths this time. I mean, since 10 years, almost a decade, we had not heard of words like booth capturing and rigging. But ironically, this time, the central forces were not deployed in the way they should have been. The state forces are looking after the matters within the ambience of booth. And Mr. Rahul Gandhi in Amethi went checking the EVM machine. Not 1, 2, but number of EVM machines were checked by Mr. Rahul Gandhi. And today we see Ajay Rai flaunting clearly the rules. Let me remind you over here, Mr. Narendra Modi took out this lotus symbol.
But let me ask you, Dr. Patra, as you're getting so riled up about this whole thing, let me also remind you that yesterday, the official handle of the BJP was still campaigning for the party. Campaigning was long over. 7 hours, but before you respond, Rita Bahuguna Joshi of the Congress party is on the phone line. Miss Joshi, as far as the Congress party is concerned, they were crying hoarse when Narendra Modi had the lotus symbol on a day of polling in his hand. Today, Ajay Rai is sporting the Congress icon, the Congress symbol on his kurta. What is the difference? You're also breaking all the rules.
No, the question here is, if somebody is breaking the rule, then the complaint should go to the second magistrate. And he will correct it. Why is the hue and cry about it? Maybe by mistake he's wearing it.
Miss Joshi, can this be a mistake? Rahul Gandhi goes into a polling booth, sees a lotus symbol which is very badly crafted on a blackboard, and he creates a huge row over it. Today, Ajay Rai is wearing a Congress symbol on his kurta while going inside a polling booth and casting his ballot. You're saying it's just perhaps missed his attention?
Don't make it such a huge issue. There's no hue and cry.
You filed 2 FIRs against Narendra Modi on the same basis, Rita Bahuguna Joshi.
Don't be hyperbolic. If Rahulji went and said this symbol is right, it should be removed. It was removed.
Ms. Rita Bahuguna Joshi,
I am not being hyperbolic. The Election Commission filed 2 FIRs against Narendra Modi. One was for sporting the lotus symbol. The other was for holding the press conference. But more so for holding the lotus symbol while he was addressing the press conference. Who's being hyperbolic?
You are hyperbolic and don't make such an issue about it. We have contested 31 elections are contested in my...
Ma'am, I take great offense to you saying don't make such a big issue about it. Dr. Sambit Patra also wants to say something.
Ms. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, it is appalling that a senior leader as you, in fact, who is one of the contestants this election, says us that we are hyperbolic in raising issues which are of great importance to the country. Ms. Rita, let me remind you of the fact that it is not by any fault or inadvertent mistake that Mr. Ajay Rai is wearing the symbol. When he was asked by the reporter about the symbol, he said that I am a proud congressman and I would keep flaunting the rule, I will keep wearing this symbol.
Okay.
Tell me, Ms. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, if if it is not a fault, will you not see to it that the EC takes action against Mr. Ajay Rai?
No, let me come in here. Rita Bahuguna Joshi, do you think, are you trying to suggest it was a mistake by Ajay Rai? Okay, Ms. Bahuguna Joshi does not want to respond. Clearly, she is very upset at this point. Congress, in its defense, is saying that this must have been something more of an oversight than anything else. We also have Preeti Chaudhary, who's in Varanasi following all the developments. Preeti, was Ajay Rai giving you that sense that it was a mistake, that he didn't realize that he was sporting the Congress symbol?
Well, no, Maruk, absolutely not. There were quite a few reporters. Some of us raised that question to Mr. Ajay Rai, and categorically, Mr. Rai turned around and said that he said it in Hindi. He said that he wears it right next to his heart. He's a proud Congress person. He is a candidate of the Congress, and he has every right to carry that symbol.
It's 9 p.m. 2 hours of polling have already happened. It's the final phase of elections, and a controversy has already broken out. The controversy over Congress candidate from Varanasi, Ajay Rai, seen there in those pictures sporting a Congress symbol. BJP Sambit Patra is here, very unhappy that the Election Commission will have to, is that almost like a challenge to the Election Commission, Dr. Patra, that they should be taking action against Ajay Rai?
No, I believe anyone who flaunts a rule or breaks a rule that the country has laid down is a challenge to any constitutional authority to take action against. So I believe, yes, it is a challenge to the Election Commission that instead of being selective, Election Commission has to open its eyes for the errs committed by Rahul Gandhi and his friends, Mr. Ajay Rai also. So I believe a suo motu notice, though we would also make a complaint, but a suo motu notice should be taken by now by the Election Commission, and the quickness, the preparedness that they showed in case of Mr. Narendra Modi, though Mr. Narendra Modi had not flaunted any rule. Over here, clearly the rules have been flaunted. FIR should be registered against Mr. Ajay Rai. We demand it.
Okay, Dr. Patra very upset here, demanding that action should be taken against Ajay Rai. We also spoke to the Congress party, but they seem to suggest that the BJP is being hyperbolic as far as Ajay Rai is concerned. We're going to play out a conversation that Preeti Chaudhary had with Ajay Rai, where she was asking him about polling and how the Congress candidate felt in these elections, and see if you can spot that logo, the symbol of the Congress party, as he was talking to us.
What a campaign Banaras has seen, something which will go down in the annals of Indian political history. Over the last 2 months, it's been, for more reasons than one, the political capital of India. We have Ajay Rai with us, who has, along with his wife, who's joined the queue to cast his franchise. Lots of politicians have come under criticism for skipping the line and going directly to cast their vote, especially the temperatures are soaring in Banaras at about 48 degrees Celsius. Ajay ji, आप लाइन में लगे हैं, जाके अपना वोट नहीं कास्ट किए सीधा?
नहीं, वो हम लोग तो शुरू से लाइन वाले हैं और अनुशासन वाले हैं और काशी बनारस वाले हैं ना, और ये हमारे भाई बंधु सब लोग हैं। मैं किसको क्रॉस करके आगे जाऊंगा? और मैं कोई वीआईपी नहीं हूँ, वो साधारण आदमी हूँ, और इन्हीं लोगों ने उस लायक मुझे बनाया और आगे भी जनता ही बनाएगी कि जनता की सेवा करूं और जनता का हमेशा सेवक समझूं कि मैं जनता का सेवक हूं। ये मैं समझ के काम करता हूँ।
अजय जी, क्या लगता है, बहुत कहते हैं बहुत लास्ट में फाइट में आए, राहुल गांधी ने बहुत लेट रोड शो किया, अगर थोड़ा पहले हो जाता तो मतलब तो थोड़ा ज्यादा इम्पेक्टिस मिलता आपको?
नहीं, वो तो उन्होंने कारपेट बॉम्बिंग उन्होंने किया है, उसका कोई काट।
अजय राय जी, बस एक और सवाल, आपको लगता है जो माइनॉरिटी वोट है इस बार स्प्लिट होगा आपके साथ है?
नहीं, स्प्लिट कहाँ हो रहा है, माइनॉरिटी का पूरा वोट कांग्रेस के साथ है और पूरे देश में माइनॉरिटी ने कांग्रेस वोट किया।
बहुत धन्यवाद अजय राय जी हमें बात करने के लिए। देयर यू हैव इट, अजय राय alongside his wife standing in line waiting to cast his vote. Reporting with camera person Premchand Mishra, Preeti Chaudhary for Headlines.